Hello Stampers, this is Super Awesome Stamper Shirley Marker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. I'm excited to be back for the March 2nd, 2024 Craft Along. These are the kits that I will be providing. You can purchase the kits through my blog at superawesomestamper.com and craft along with me during my segment at the One of a Kind Facebook group. So here's what's included in the kit. The Perennial Lavender Kit, the Twisted Easel is what I'm calling it. You'll get one Twisted Easel kit, which is this one, and one of the regular opening with just the side open kit. And here is this one. So everything is already die cut in there for you. You just need to add your stamp set and your ink pad to add a sentiment to that little piece right there, and a sentiment to that little piece right there. You'll get a sheet of these 5 beautifully die-cut butterflies and a piece of bonus paper from the Perennial Lavender pack. It might not be this print, it's just a print that I didn't use in the kit prep. So that's one of the kits. The second kit is going to be the Quad Triangle Kit. And I ship my kits in these envelopes, and I read on the back side the kit type and the month that it was for. This kit will feature 3 extra pieces of pattern paper that you can do whatever you want with those patterns, and they will be assorted. They might not be the ones I show you in this video. And then I'll just open one up real quick. Pieces to create the card will be in the kit. You will have to do two cuttings to assemble your kit, but those are all the pieces for that kit. And similarly, the red one will have the similar punched pieces, strip of embellishments, and the length of ribbon. For the Perennial Lavender Kit, I added the Crumb Cake ink pad and the So Refreshing stamp set. Those you would purchase separately at my online store, sjsinks.stampinup.net, if you wanted to stamp the sentiments like I have on the samples. Alright, so go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com, click on Kits in the Mail or the One of a Kind icon to show the purchasing options for these kits. And I hope to stamp with you March 2nd, 2024 with the One of a Kind group.